Hello, my library friends. It's time for RAD Lab story time at the Red Bank Public Library. You know me, I'm Miss Sira, and I want to let you know that today is going to be the last RAD Lab story time for a little while. I'm going to take a break next month, and we'll start it up again in September. I think I'm going to play some replays of some good programs that we've had so far during the month of August, but I'm glad you're here today. Today we're talking about two words that start with the letter P: patience and persistence. Persistence means to keep trying, keep trying, keep trying, don't give up. And patience, you know what that means. That means hanging in there even when things are difficult, or even when you're bored, or I don't know. I know you've heard the term, just be patient. So I have some fun things that are cool to look at while you have to wait and be patient. So this is a goopy goo. And this is a glitter jar. And guess what? I made it. And I love to look at it and shake it up and watch the glitter just fall and twirl. And I'm going to show you how to make one today. But first, I'm going to read you a good story called The Magical Yet. The Magical Yet. About patience and persistence. Oh, I need to find my glasses. Here we go. And let me scooch so you can see. It says, there are days when your dreams haven't come true, or you're upset by the things that you can't do. If you've lost or failed or cried just a bit, you're tired of waiting and ready to quit. See what she's trying to do? Learn how to ride a bike. Do you know how to do that already? Probably do. Like that shiny new bike you couldn't ride, and it didn't matter how hard you tried. You couldn't pedal, and you couldn't steer, and you couldn't get that bike into gear. Bikes are tricky to learn how to ride. Even once you ride one kind of bike, then you get a bike that has gears and some fancy things to it, and you always have to learn new things. So it says, then when you thought you were on the right track, you popped a wheelie and fell on your back. And now you won't ride. No way, not never. No riding for you. You'll walk forever. Well, don't give up now. There's a major game changer, a most amazing thought rearranger, someone to show you how good you can get. Now introducing the Magical Yet. With this Yet's magic, you can begin to see that you're going beyond where you've been. There are so many things that you've learned to do when you didn't know the Yet was with you. Like when you babbled before you could talk, or how you crawled before you could walk. Yet is a dreamer, a schemer, a hoper, a trier, a maker, a doer, a gotta fly higher. This Yet finds a way even when you don't, and Yet knows you will when you think you won't. You see, every kid has their own little Yet. They're so cute. Like that shiny new bike that you couldn't ride. Hop right back on it with the Yet by your side. Yet doesn't mind warm-ups, fixes and flops, do-overs, redos, stumbles and stops. Yet knows there's mistakes, some big and some small. And with Yet, you're sure to get over them all. Play the kazoo or play the bassoon. Jam with the Yet and you'll soon be in tune. Try skateboarding tricks like the ollie heel flip. This Yet can get to the championship. Tongue twisters twisted your tongue in a knot? Yet says keep trying and practice a lot. Let's see the tongue twisters they're doing. A big bug bit beetle. Oh, a big bug bit the beetle a little bit. 6 slippery snails slid slowly. 6 slippery snails slid slowly. That's a tricky one. Okay, be patient. You can't do it all overnight. Some things take days, months, or years to get right. This girl's making a beautiful painting, but she has to try and make some mistakes and have some accidents and keep trying. So the Yet helps you know that just because you can't do it, it means you can't do it yet. You have to keep trying. Be patient and persistent. But if you keep leaping, dreaming, wishing, waiting, learning, trying, missing, with the Yet as your guide along the way, you'll do all the things that you can't do today. Now you're bolder, braver, starting to see with Yet you can get where you want to be. You finally did it. You knew you could. You're not just riding, you're getting quite good. But don't stop now. You've got so much to do. The good news is this Yet grows with you. So no matter how big or how old you may get, you'll never outgrow. You'll never forget. You can always believe in the magic of Yet. Look, that girl grew up. And now she's a grown-up. I think she's like designing new kinds of bikes. That's so cool. Let's see. And that's the end. All the things that you can't do yet. But if you keep trying, you keep dreaming, and you keep working, you'll be able to do them one day. Do you have a magical Yet? I think I do. I can still learn new things. And you're gonna learn something cool today too, because I'm gonna show you how to make a glitter jar. I love to do arts and crafts. And this is also really good to look at and play with just when you need to clear your mind. Sometimes when you are trying to do something new, you get so frustrated and mad when you can't do it right away, right? And sometimes we just get overwhelmed by some of those feelings, and we just need to calm down and relax. And so looking at something like this helps take your mind off of things. You focus on the glitter and all the little things swirling and falling around in there. You take some deep breaths. And then when you're ready, you can start practicing and doing your thing all over again. Let me show you how to make this, okay? Here we go.